Good day, students. Welcome to your first lesson, which is the Introduction to Integrating Digital Technologies. My name is Dr. Hautemo, and I will take you through this course and this lesson. When we talk about digital technologies, we think of digital tools. In most cases, we would think of electronic tools, systems, devices, and resources that are used to generate and store or process data. These could include the social media, the online game, the multimedia, mobile phones, Internet of Things, like maybe alarm systems, the smart watches that you guys are wearing nowadays, etc. But then this leads us to what we call digital learning, which entails learning that is done through the use of technologies. And it also involves the use of various learning platform and open source softwares like the learning management systems like Moodle. So the LMS which is used and which we are currently using for our course like Moodle has promoted virtual classroom where a teacher can interact with students in real time and share resources and deliver lectures and assess students and collect feedback and so on during the lesson. So there is a global necessity for digital technologies in education, looking at the escalating demands for education in the 21st centuries, the changing pedagogies of which many people and many universities are now kind of using digital technologies and to produce online learning. Information communication technology innovations, especially when it comes to machine learning, a knowledge-based an increase or kind of the demands of the knowledge-based society, and this calls for lifelong learning opportunities that are done through a self-regulated learning way, and these all produce effective learning for all, anytime, anywhere, and that's why we need technology or digital technologies in education. There are several benefits of ICT integration, and this could be that they are accessible and they are more efficient and also interactive, allow it upgrade learning from being a classroom based to an open platform in which anybody can interact with anyone anywhere. The teaching and assessment is done online, done on real time online, and feedback is also given at that time. So there is a lot of accumulation of skills. So skill formation is key to the ICT integration, and it allows flexible learning where you can learn from wherever you are in the comfort of your house, and it's also needed for planning and management of schools, of projects. We have now ITS platforms that are needed for administrations and so on, and lastly maybe for community linkage, because it leads to collaborative writing, collaborative learning, and so on. There are more benefits that are associated to the ICT integration, expanding educational opportunities through virtual universities or open educational softwares or open educational resources, interactive video conferencing, and ICT access. And this also kind of increase efficiency through self-paced e-learning, multi-class teaching, flexible learning schedules, enabling you to study wherever you are and whatever you want and with whoever and whatever you want, and that bridges the gap between the urban and the rural, the haves and the have not, etc. Grading software like Turnitin and online assessment are key to this. And it also enhance they also an enhancement of quality of learning through collaborative learning, providing access to world of information, allow application of information, flexibility, inquiry based learning, and also tutoring, which is individualized. And but this can be enhanced through virtual classroom, synchronous and asynchronous learning, and also webcasting, etc. So these are some of the benefits, if you can read through, of ICT integration in education. So there are many e-learning components which are very pertinent and also especially to this course. One is the simple learning resources that you can find, the interactive e-learning or e-lessons that can be done through text and graphics and animations and simulations and so on, through electronic simulation and machine translation or web-based designs. They also multimedia resources through digital libraries that are available, the LMS that we are using, and open source software, and very importantly, gamification, whereby the playing of game, VR, which is virtual reality, and AR, which is augmented reality, are now the things of the day through artificial intelligences. So we need to rethink how we teach and how we learn. That's why we are doing this course, because the 21st century pedagogies have led to transformation from print-based to electronic-based learning. And also looking at how we used to do teaching through syllabus, through tutorial letters, additional materials, assessments, but now all those are now incorporated in one LMS, which is called Moodle. So it's all in one bowl. So when you think about what we are going to do in this course, we are going to look at the Bloom taxonomies. We are also going to look at the other models like SMR, or the smart learning outcome, designing them, integrating the 21st century pedagogies, and also creating constructive alignment to make sure that the learning outcomes are speaking to the content of the course, and they are also speaking to the assessment of the course. So, and that would be done through online. So we are going to talk about course design and online facilitation, where you will do storyboarding, video and audio scripting, or script writing, instructional design elements, the use of e-learning, and we also incorporate the use of open educational resources. Thank you very much. So this is our first lesson, and just to introduce you to the course. So have a nice day.